हेलो 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 मिल रहा है ना? हाँ मिल रहा है ना। ठीक ठीक ठीक। ओए सब पे कटा हुआ है महेश, लाइव कटा हुआ है। हाँ हाँ ठीक है महेश, सब पे कटा हुआ है, ध्यान रखना।
Please cast your vote. It's a very responsible day for us, as all of us, for the citizens of this country. I know it's quite hot, but let's put that little effort, because today is the most crucial day for the next future, for the next 5 years of our life. Please cast your vote and please vote responsibly. Thank you. Thank you. నాకు ఎందుకో ఈసారి చాలా నమ్మకం ఉంది that a lot of people, there'll be a huge turnout, because I think people are also becoming more and more responsible in all areas. So, firstly, I would like to tell I'm not politically aligned with any party. నాకు official గా ఏ పార్టీతో సంబంధం లేదు. I'm neutral to all parties. నా అనే వ్యక్తులు ఏ